So in this video, you'll learn how to change audio volume on CapCut PC. So if you're opening a project that already has audio added onto it, you might need to extract the audio. To do that, simply right-click on the timeline once you've selected it, and then select Extract Audio, and you should see your audio underneath your current project. If you're just adding audio, then you should still see this audio option right here, so that's fine. Then once you've done that, you want to click on your audio. So you want to select it. And then in the right hand corner of your screen, you should see underneath basic, the option to adjust the volume. So currently by default, it's set to 0.0 decibels. So when you play the clip, then you should hear it playing normally. However, if you want to adjust it to your liking, then it's fairly simple. All you need to do is simply use the slider and move it up or down depending on your preferences. So because the default is set to 0, we can now choose to increase it. So if you feel as if the audio is too loud, too quiet, you can just increase it by taking it towards the right. Then you also want to ensure that you actually play a video to ensure that it's not too loud for you. So when you play and you find it still quiet, you can just go back and adjust it to your liking. You'll also see this volume meter here that will tell you if the sound is a bit too high. So for example, it's still on green, but if I increase it all the way to the end, then you can see red has now appeared on the meter, which means that at some point it's actually a bit too high, so you might want to go back and reduce it just a bit. Alternatively, if you don't want to go all the way there, you can always just adjust it from the clip directly. So on the clip, you can see this white line that appears whenever I hover my mouse over it. So just hover the mouse over that line. And you can see even the mouse cursor has changed shapes. So from here, you want to just move up or down, and you can notice as you're doing so, the volume control is actually sliding up and down at the same time. So you can see as I go up, it goes up. As I go down, it goes down. So now it's up to you to decide which option you prefer to use to adjust the volume for audio on your CapCut PC app. And then when you're done, you can now just continue editing anything else that you need to edit, and then you can now export your file. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.